If you saw this on the SAT, would you be able to solve it? This is a tough question, but a totally doable question. An isosceles right triangle has an area of 32 square centimeters. What is the hypotenuse of the triangle? I don't know why I sang that, but has an area of 32 square centimeters. So if we think about an isosceles right triangle, that means the two legs are the same. The two perpendiculars are the same, so we could call them x. So we're going to say x squared divided by 2, right, because it's 1/2 x squared equals 32. You multiply both sides by 2 and you get x squared equals 64. You square root that, you get x equals -8 and 8, but of course only positive works for dimensions. And that is it. Too many people get thrown off by what isosceles right triangle means. Don't be one of those people. Be one of the people who can sing the math out, but don't do that on the test. That's probably not a bright idea. Anyways, I hope it's sunny where you are, but if it's raining out there, remember that rain can clean your windows and water your plants. Bye.